He drives up to his property where he keeps cows and horses and plays cowboy on the weekend. This looks nice. I wouldn't have pegged you for a log cabin, but your property is absolutely beautiful. Look at all the horses in the field, and cows, of course. The MILF and her boy toy get out of his vehicle as the sun goes down. The MILF is wearing long black leather pants and a long-waisted suede coat with not a lot underneath. They walk up to the front door and go in. Nice. That looks comfortable. It's one big open space. The bed is huge, king-sized, with layers of soft, clean cotton sheets and blankets and big fluffy pillows. It's pushed against the wall at the back of the cabin. The boy toy goes over to start a fire. In the fireplace, that is. The MILF strategically takes off her coat and puts it over the back of a chair. What at first looked like black leather pants are in fact assless chaps. The MILF knew how to dress for an occasion. The boy toy was instantly mesmerized. He quickly lit the fire and stood up. He went up to her, wrapped his arms around her, and began to kiss her passionately. What's that cow's name? I swear I think she's jealous.